Living in West Jordan, Utah, means experiencing a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from dry, hot summers to snowy, windy winters. These changing seasons can take a toll on your home, especially if it isn't properly protected. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is by installing weather-resistant windows. Modern weather-resistant windows are designed not only to withstand the elements but also to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and safety. If you're a homeowner in West Jordan looking to protect your investment, here's how upgrading to weather-resistant windows can make a meaningful difference. Shielding against harsh weather conditions. West Jordan is no stranger to high winds, dust storms, hail, and snow. Standard windows may not offer adequate protection, leaving your home vulnerable to drafts, leaks, and damage. Weather-resistant windows, on the other hand, are engineered with reinforced frames, heavy-duty seals, and impact-resistant glass. These features help block out rain, snow, and wind-driven debris, reducing the chances of moisture intrusion, glass breakage, or structural stress, especially during severe storms or sudden weather shifts. Improved energy efficiency year-round. One of the most noticeable benefits of weather-resistant windows is their ability to improve your home's insulation. With West Jordan's hot summers and cold winters, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature can be challenging and expensive. High-quality weather-resistant windows feature double or triple pane glass, inert gas fills, like argon, and low emissivity, low E, coatings that reduce heat transfer. This helps keep your home cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and reduces your reliance on heating and cooling systems, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Protection against water damage and mold. When standard windows fail to keep moisture out, it can lead to water damage, wood rot, and dangerous mold growth, issues that can be both costly and hazardous to your health. Weather-resistant windows come with tight sealing systems and advanced drainage designs to prevent water infiltration. Especially during West Jordan's rainy or snowy seasons, this added protection helps preserve your window frames, drywall, and flooring, and keeps your home safe and dry year-round. Enhanced home security. Weather-resistant windows aren't just tough against the elements, they also provide increased security. Their durable construction makes them harder to break, which can deter burglars and give you peace of mind. Some models even feature multi-point locking systems and laminated glass, making them both impact-resistant and intrusion-resistant. If safety is a top concern for your family, weather-resistant windows are a strong line of defense against both natural and human threats. Noise reduction for a quieter home. West Jordan's growing neighborhoods and busy roads can bring unwanted noise into your home. Fortunately, many weather-resistant windows are also excellent sound insulators. The same features that help them block wind and rain, like multiple panes and gas fills, also help reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful and quiet indoor environment. Long-term savings and durability. While the upfront investment in weather-resistant windows may be higher than standard options, they offer significant long-term value. Their robust construction means fewer repairs and replacements over the years. Plus, The energy savings, protection from damage, and reduced maintenance requirements more than make up for the cost. When properly installed, these windows can last 20 to 30 years or more, giving you lasting peace of mind. Final thoughts. A smart upgrade for West Jordan homes in a climate as diverse as West Jordan's. Protecting your home with weather-resistant windows is a smart and practical decision. These high-performance windows offer far more than just aesthetic appeal. They deliver durability, comfort, and protection that standard windows simply can't match. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, investing in weather-resistant windows ensures you're prepared for whatever Mother Nature has in store today and for many seasons to come.